Everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today's my favorite time of the week. It's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and our amazing host is Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home, and please check out the amazing Tiny Tidy team in the playlist. This week I have been hard at work at decluttering. First of all, we sold our camper, and we are including all of our camping supplies. Because we're just not going to do that we're going to take a few years off camping. Just not really able to do that right now. Hopefully I get to feeling better and that may change. But we got rid of a ton of camping supplies to an amazing family with children that I know they're going to enjoy the camper and we gave them a tripod grill and all the things to go camping. I know they'll have an amazing time with their family, and it just warms my heart. And today we're going to work on tackling that craft room. I was hoping when I started to do this today that I would get through 5 boxes. I didn't get that. I overdid it. So I only made it through 2, but I cleared out a big box, and I cleared out one entire tote from in there, a little bit at a time. Okay, we're going to work on going through this tote. I'd like to get through at least 4 of them to see what I'm keeping and what I'm letting go of. Because it's time to just get rid of some stuff. In here. I'm going to keep that. Okay, I'm going to keep most of that stuff. Go over here and work on some more Christmas. I'm getting rid of these. Getting rid of that. And I'm going to keep this. I'm keeping this. I'm going to keep this. This and this. And this. Getting rid of that. Keep. Get rid of. work through this. Okay, now I'm going to take this tote and put this in here. My body's telling me it's time for me to quit, but here's what we got done. This is the box. We got rid of stuff. We got rid of 3 Christmas wreaths and a whole big box of ribbon, and we emptied a tote. Does it look like we did anything? Probably not. But I need to stop for now.